Don't make me get violent. I'm on my ring, baby, that's a diamond. Don't let me get violent. I want my ring back, baby, that's a diamond. You don't listen anyways, I'll be quiet. I don't really feel like fighting. Don't let me get violent. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Violin by Carolesdaughter. So this song is structured in C, but we're mostly just using the top 3 strings and we're using basic chords. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 2, and we're playing the following chords. So the first chord is a C major, and you're basically plucking strings 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, and then you go to E minor, and it's still the same, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, and then we go to A minor, which in this case is 5th fret of the 6th string and 3rd fret of your 5th string. So 5th fret of string number 6 and then 3rd fret of string number 5. And then down to G, and then we go to F, and for F we're plucking strings 6 and 4. Okay, so that's, but the 4th string, instead of holding it in fret number, oh yeah, that's how you hold it, fret number 3. Alright, now if you're not familiar with the major chords, you can check out my chord video, it's in the description below. But basically if you want to strum this full out, you can play Don't make me get violent, I wanna so that's C to E minor to A minor, and then G, and then F major. Don't let me get violent, I want my ring back, baby, it's a diamond. Sorry, that's Alright, so C, E minor, A minor, G, and then F. Okay, that's pretty much the whole song. That's the same chords for your verse, your chorus, the pre-chorus, everything. It's just the same chords. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.